a crime, can you please report it? He's going to have to talk to his boss.
Hello?
Hello.
He's really cool. Oh, don't go, we need you. I just showed your friend on Google, your colleague, that it's a crime to kill the barn owls.
Absolutely.
So he won't. So we're reporting it. All we want is a crime number that we've reported it. So then we can go and show them that this is a crime, because he's saying go to EA. No, we've done that, and he's saying go to the mayor. We've done that. They tell him go to the police because there's a criminal activity that's going on.
What about the parks officers? Have you contacted the parks police?
Parks police. It's not a park. It belongs to farmers.
The centre of the valley is a nature reserve. It's called a site of metropolitan importance.
Go home.
All right.
Where do you live?
For the conservation of nature, and no one will take responsibility for it.
I think that
There can't be one law for everyone except for HS2. I mean, what they've done with the HS2 Act, they've disapplied laws. They haven't disapplied the Wildlife and Countryside Act. They haven't disapplied the Water Framework Directive. They haven't disapplied the Habitats Directive. They can't.
yeah.
They're on official records. It's not just me that sees them. You know,
What is it? The colleagues explained briefly.
the barn owls are on the list on Part 1, Schedule 1, the Wildlife and Countryside Act 1981, which means they're protected at all times and their habitats by special penalties.
Yeah.
So it's not just in bird nesting season, which the majority of birds
I
are.
totally appreciate it. Where I live, we've got barn owls flying around where I
Okay.
live, and they're beautiful animals.
Well, if you look at the HS2
Yeah.
plans, every single bit of their territory where they are seen
Being threatened,
is,
it?
all of it is to go. Now, they're starting piece by piece by piece, and there's nothing in place for them.
So you want to formally report some sort of
Crime.
disruption, disturbance to these animals?
Yes.
Are you alleging it? Because what we need to record, if we're going to record it, is it a cruelty matter?
It's breaking.
Habitat clearance.
Okay. Habitat clearance is something I'm not sure will quite fit on
It's
our
criminal. We just checked online.
So it's going to be logged under as part of the
Criminal
Cruelty to
Act.
Animals Act?
Yeah.
Is it?
1981.
Okay, all right. We can certainly record something even as a CRI, Chris, if we could find out the cruelty to animals. Please,
Is it environment? What is it called? Cruelty to animals?
John, the reference number. That's not a problem. We can do that.
It's not called Cruelty to Animals. It's called the Environmental Protection Act 1981.
Whether it fits in our system,
Okay.
that's the problem we have.
Categorising.
I totally understand what you're saying, as I said, but we've got to try and make it fit on our systems and record it as a crime-related incident, give you a reference number. What is your plan after that?
Well, can I say there's two things, there's two parts to this. The other part is that in January they actually plan to test pile drive into the principal aquifer in an area which is taking pollutants from the New Year's Green landfill site straight into the main water channels of the public water system. There's been nothing.
22% of our water comes from there in London.
There has to be a risk assessment. It would be great. Thank you.
Okay, so bear with us, and if you don't need all this, you don't have to, but the officer will put something on the system.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Good luck. Okay, thank you.
What you're doing here is actually a crime. We've got a crime number now. Do you want to know the crime number? The police agree that this is a criminal offence. Are you from London? Do you drink water? You know, it's 22% of the water aquifers here that cleans your water. 22% of London water comes from here.
Don't like to speak, he's a robot.
I am a robot.
Okay, so this is the Mid-Colne Valley Nature Reserves. This is the canal, the Grand Union Canal. These are the lakes. This is the Hoac Outdoor Activity Centre Lake, Save Fishing Lake. This is where Laura and me were arrested, which is the new test pile driving compound into the chalk aquifer. This is the other test pile driving compound they're building. So this is the route of the new HS2. This is where the pumping station is that abstracts most of the water that we drink in Uxbridge. This is the water pumping station. Hello. in Ickenham that's been closed due to water pollution levels since 1997 because of this landfill site here. Now what you see is this little stream comes under the landfill site and carries contamination into the water supplies, and it's also dripping down, as we know, into the aquifer underneath. So we want the safeguarding information before they drill here.
Maybe that's completely polluted. There's like polluted